Good morning, family. We're on day one of our buff booster, 5-star no nature. And this time I learned from my mistake from last week's tournament. So since there are no nature, ice will be dominant. So we have Elassie, the costume version, rogue class who does damage to 3, reduces their mana, and gives them a minus 24% mana generation. Plus, I like her element link. Let's see here. When this character casts her special skill, they cleanse the newest status element from all allies. Then we have Costume Arjana. This is the second costume that does damage to 3 and the minus 34% defense. Last 2 extra turns to ice characters, and so does the burn damage. Oh, and she's also a rogue, which gives her the opportunity to bypass defensive buffs. This is Thorn's second costume. He does the damage to 3 and reduces her mana. Plus he increases mana, which is actually a buff. Then we have Shazing Jing, sorry. We already know what she does. She bypasses dodge and does uncleansable poison to 3. And last we have Reese, who's a fast boosted healer actually, and enhances the holy shields, plus does the attack buff. Oh, and cleanses all status helmets. So let's go with this and see. I'm willing to buy back this time. It's been a while since I've posted a full week of a tournament, so let's go. Ooh, I wanted this hero. Mainly for Titans. So it might be in our best benefit to take ice heroes. So let's see here. We're going to do that. Actually, I should probably use her. Ooh. Okay. That excites me. So let me see what we got going on here. Are we gonna need a cleanse? Yeah, probably. Let's see here. I'm going to use her. And who do I have for a cleanse? It's not a healer. Or should I use 2 healers this time? No, let's not worry about that. Okay. So the reason I'm using Alexandrine is because I want to counteract what she does to the tiles. Okay, let's go. All right. Where should we start? Okay, I'm going to have at least 2 ice matches. Here's a third. Okay, so what does she do to it again? She lowers the attack. And now let's see what she does after she goes off. Because she's supposed to increase the critical chance. Okay, this replaces it. Okay, so I guess that proves my... I'm trying to remember one of the videos I talked about having these 2 in the same team, but it shows you that one bypasses the other. Okay. Or not bypasses, but replaces. Okay. Is he a fighter? Or is he barbarian? Oh yeah, he's a fire class. Okay, let's just freeze that nuisance. See what the critical chance does to Thorn. Does double the damage. Oh, we have it again. So I think this time, we're going to switch her off. And we're going to use Arsena against, what's that guy's name? This one. Zakina. I'm going to need a cleanse against her. So I think this time I'll have 2 healers. Or, no. We'll keep it as is. Okay. See if I can get one more match of ice tiles. Who do I fear the most? I was hoping he wasn't going to dodge that. Will that kill her? Okay, cool. Stop. Okay. Now, should I go for the kill on the left or lower the man on the right? Do I have a follow-up beneath? Okay. So, I think what I'll do is... Wait, who has the strongest hit? Okay, she does. All right. Now, I'm going to need at least a match of ice tiles. She's going to go off soon anyway. Will that one tile kill her off? Probably. Red Sonja, thank you very much. Okay. So now we're going to keep most of the same players. Although heavy holy base. Okay. June. Do I need to dispel anything? No. Okay, I think I might use... All right, we'll have one sniper there. Let's change around the troops a little bit. Okay. Okay, I like this. I'm gonna need some holy matches. Okay. I can't stand her, by the way. What, Anushka? That was her name, right? That's enough. Good, we get rid of her immediately. Now, let's set off. This is Horus, right? And then what's her name again? Okay. I think those holy tiles shall kill him. Oh, the mana was reduced. Okay. Who should we? I think we'll be able to knock them all off. Again? Okay. Let's see if she revives a third time. I forgot that she was a fighter class. All right. We're on to the fourth flag. We're going to have to do something a little bit different. Okay. So let's restructure this a bit. We're going to need a dispel for Krampus. And I think I'll put a different troop on her. Then we're going to need element blocking. So that's where Grazul comes in. And then should I use my... Maybe her. Let's see how this is going to work. She bypasses... I think she bypasses... Okay, maybe this would be better to take her out. Well, should I have two forms of dispel? So I'm going to have... Yeah. I think I should keep her in. Where is she? Okay, no. Okay, this should work. Provided I get the tiles that I need. Okay. I'm going to start off with this one first. I'm going to shift this one up. How am I going to do this? Okay. If I do this, he's going to take a lot of damage, so I can't really do Leonidas first. But she has to bypass. It's only 25%. Let's try it out, though. Okay. Who did she hit? Okay. So we're going to need, let's see, will this kill him? I doubt it. Oh. Now we can use it in the proper order. Leonidas, followed by Divana. Poisoned by her. That should slowly kill them off. She's a fighter class though, so she has an opportunity to revive. Let's see here. Okay. Will this kill her? Thank goodness. Okay, so we have one more. Let's see what we're going to do. We're going to need... He reduces mana, doesn't he? And minus 30% accuracy. So maybe we should keep Grazul in there or bring in a cleanse. You know what? Actually, let's go with... Let's put Regard, but we're going to use the boosted health version. This one. And we'll keep him on the wing. Okay. So I'm going to use Ursina again. We'll go with her. Why not? And what if I should have 2 healers just in case? We're going to need some fast heroes. So, and then, hits 3, hits all. Do they have minions? No, none of them do. Okay. Let's go with that. Let's change the troops around. She's already fast, so let's see, is that 9%? 11%. Okay. Well, technically, he doesn't need that troop, but let's go. Okay, we're going to need some darks. That's one right there. Okay, cool. Now let's worry about the right side, huh? Yeah. I'll just kill her off. Wow, I love having a flawless day. I wish all of them were like that. All right, cool beans. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you for day 2.